So hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm about to show you how to earn money online just doing simple thing on this app here. So this app pays you money just what breaking and filling something up. So the more you fill it up, the more you earn money on this site. So I'll be dropping a promo code in this video. So this promo code will help you to earn more coin using my promo code. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get the promo code. And this promo code is for only my subscriber alone and person used to watch my video to the end. So let's go there. So waiting for it to load. So when it load finish, so I'm gonna teach you how you can earn more money on it. So this is it. This is the app here. So when you click on this thing here, this thing will keep going down. If you click on it, can you see it's getting full? So when you click on this one too, be getting full. So when you click on this one here, it will be getting full. It will be getting full. So we click this one too. So this is it. Can you see that it's already loading my coin, automatically loading for how many minutes? For a whole 9 minutes. This thing is going to be loading for a whole 9 minutes. My coin will be loading for a whole 9 minutes. Can you see that? So if you can wait, so it's loading for a whole 9 minutes. And if you want to be earning more coin and this box here, if you want to be earning more box of this thing here, so I'm going to teach you how you can earn more. You are going to buy it. So the more you buy it, the more you earn of this one. Can you see it's automatically giving me more coin? So we are waiting for it. Should load to the end. If you press skip, so so you need to wait for a whole 9 minutes to let it load so that your coin will be here. Do not press skip, because if you press skip, they will give you small coin of it. So you have to leave it for it to end. So
do you know that I'm single?
So this is it. If you keep waiting, it's gonna load finish. So when you load to 1, so if you press skip, they're going to minus from your money when you press skip. So what now the essence of pressing skip? So you need to wait for like 9 minutes to complete. So it remains 3 minutes. So I'm not going to give you the promo code now. Yeah, can just for free. Take. So after 30 minutes again, you have to what, spin another one after 30 minutes. So you just need to what, calm down. So you have to what, open this treasure box, open. So you can gain anything from this treasure box. If you open it to 25, take. You just have to take it. So that's it. You have 26 of this one 77 of it. So that's how you just need to be doing to gain all this things. So I'm giving you the promo code right now. So let's go for the promo code. What promo code? Just press
Do you
tick.
eat mango? Mango.
Can you see my money already top up to 33605 when you use the promo code? Wow, can you see? So you try to use my promo code and make sure you watch the video to the end to get more promo code of these videos. So we're waiting for this time to count and what we should draw another one. So Also spin around that one again, so you have to wait for 12 minutes again. And you can also buy all this one to bonus. They will also give you bonus, so you have to wait. So let's wait for this one here. So your minimum payout is $5, and this $5 is what 50,000 coin of it.
Wetin come do our light now? And rain no fall o.
Only God know. Since we rain dey fall, no spoil. Rain no come fall, it dey come spoil. So I'm waiting for it to load to the end now.
This is finger, abi?
So in this video, so if you want to withdraw your money, some people asking for to withdraw your money. Before you can withdraw your money, you need to get up to like 40,000 coin. So your payment, this will be at the middle here. So if you click it, you can withdraw your money to what? Any cryptocurrency you want. You can put your money in any cryptocurrency you want, and the minimum payout is what $5 upward. So when you use the $5, you can also earn more money on it. So that's all about these videos. If you want to any question, you can what put in the comment section. Money. So I'm still waiting for the time, and please don't forget to subscribe. So that's it. So when you tap here, so when you tap here again, so it's gonna get full. So it's going to load. So as it's loading, your coin will keep topping. So see this thing here. So as it's loading, if this thing should get finished, so your money will stop loading. So that's all about this earning stuff. So if you press here, so thanks for watching.